Hey, there you are. You want to see my unboxing from July? Keep watching. I've got 4 of them this time. Fast. We're doing it fast this month. So last month I thought that I was doing a really good job. I thought I was whipping right through all those boxes, and it turned out to be a 22-minute video. So I guess that just shows you what happens when you start drinking. Your track of time is shot. So this time I'm going to use a little bit of a different format. I'm not going to drink. Not for this one. So I'm not going to drink, but I am going to show you the products. I'm going to let you know what I think of them as best I can. They're products like skincare. I really can't tell you much about them unless I've used them before. Makeup, some of the makeup I can't show you and try because I'm going to include it in a giveaway. So I'll put that information on the screen too. So get yourself a drink and let's get through this a lot quicker this time. So that's my July unboxing. Click the subscribe button below and ring the bell if you want to get notifications. Share it with friends and let me know what you thought. Give me some suggestions if you've got some ideas on videos. I'd love to hear them. Take care. Be loved. See you next time.